Hello, all. I'm Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I'm the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today, I'm going to discuss about simple view of reading. Yes, what is reading? There is one simple equation to explain the reading. This one has been from around 1985. Two researchers got this, and till now, that model is actually followed for reading. Let's see what it is. Reading is made of two components: decoding, language comprehension. The product of decoding and the language comprehension is the reading comprehension. Yes, the product of both things, decoding and language comprehension, gives us the reading comprehension. What is decoding? Decoding is that if you're able to read the word out, the letters k, a, t, cat, you're able to read it out. You're able to decode and read what it is. This is called decoding. You're able to read the word. So, language comprehension, this is the background knowledge. This is the knowledge. This is what we say as the content, what is happening there, so that we understand it. The product of this is the reading comprehension. Let me give some example now. So if the child has to read, the big cat and the small rat live in the same home, the child has to understand, even though the child can read it, they are able to read it out. The child also has to understand that the cat, this is a rat, and how come they are living in the same house. They also should have the background knowledge of what is cat, what is rat, what is big, what is small, everything together. Then only they will be able to understand the whole word or the whole sentence together. And here, let's see, like for decoding. For me itself, if the language is Hindi, I am an excellent decoder for Hindi. I know the letters. I know the letters out correctly. I would be able to decode the word because I know Hindi and I am able to read it out correctly. Hindi is also a transparent language. You have only one sound. It is very easy also. Yeah, because ka, ga, everything different sound. But this is not the same in English. English is different. Each letter will have multiple sounds. It's not only 26 letters and 26 sounds. The sounds are more actually. But for Hindi, it is not that way. So decoding was easy for me. I would be able to decode and read out the word. But if you're checking out the language comprehension, I don't know much about what they are discussing in the context. Yeah, I need some more clues or some more answers for it. Then only I would be able to do the reading comprehension. Maybe I would be able to see a visual and understand it. But if I have to read it and then understand, I should need both decoding skill as well as the language comprehension skill. Then only I would be able to understand what it is. I have to understand the whole sentence. What it is means I should be having both skills. This is very important for all the teachers to know, all the parents to know. Sometimes if a parent is coming over and they say that my kid can read everything correctly, but I don't know why, what is happening. They are not able to score well, or they are not able to understand what it is. He is able to read, then why is he not able to understand? That time we have to see their language comprehension skills. Maybe we have to work on more on vocabulary part. We have to accept what is there. Maybe the syntax part, the grammar part, they have to understand everything. Then only they will be progressing towards reading comprehension. For some kids, they would be able to understand the concept very well. If you ask them orally, they can say it everything correctly, but they don't know to read it. If you ask them to read the passage, they'll be just struck with few words itself. But if you say what you wrote in the passage and you're asking them, maybe if they know the topic, you've written something about India, the country, you're just saying it. Okay, if you're asking them, they would be able to answer so many questions orally. But a simple passage is difficult for them to read out. Maybe the decoding skills are weaker. We have to focus on that. And if the student is coming with difficulty or anything, we should not see their grade also. We should not see only their grade. Yes, we have to see if the kid is having the difficulty with decoding. Maybe the child is in 5th standard or 6th standard. But still, you have to start from the skills required for decoding. You should be starting with the sounds, you should be making them understand, and then move on to the next component. Maybe the child knows everything, the child can understand better. But if this skill is weak, that the child cannot understand the reading comprehension. And one more thing here is it is a product and it is not the sum of it. So we also should be equally concentrating it so that the reading comprehension is better in children. That's why I want this point out to be to the parents and teachers to understand that reading is this way. It is a simple view of reading, but it is really complicated. Reading is not a natural skill. Listening is a natural skill, but reading is not natural. We are teaching the kids. The child has to learn to read either from a sibling, a parent, a teacher, or other person. Then only they will be able to read. That's why reading is very, very important. And this simple view of reading explains us all the issues and all the difficulties for kids with learning difficulties. We can address them much better now knowing this simple view. Thank you all.